The area of a trapezoid, a short lesson in visual reasoning. Why do I pick the trapezoid? The area of this figure, we've always been told, is h over 2 times the quantity b1 plus b2. In most tests anymore, it's just given. Suppose that the area of a trapezoid is this. And I've always wondered, why is it b1 plus b2? Why on earth would you ever do that? It makes no sense to me. The area of a trapezoid has for a while been this to me. I can take the trapezoid and divide it into two triangles. And I know the area of a triangle. Therefore, the area of our trapezoid is simply the area of the first triangle plus the area of the second triangle, or 1/2 times b sub 1 h plus 1/2 b sub 2 h. Forget the formula, though. It's the area of the first triangle and the area of the second triangle. Prior to that, it was something a little more complicated. I imagined a trapezoid as really a figure with a rectangle right in the middle. And if you took that rectangle out, you'd be left with two triangles. And if you shoved them together, what you had left was a triangle and a rectangle. Once again, I know the areas of a triangle and a rectangle. The careful thing here is to make sure we know what the base of our triangle is. If the base of the trapezoid, the large base, was b sub 2, and I took out b sub 1, I'm left with the area of my triangle as, or base of my triangle as b sub 2 minus b sub 1. The area of my trapezoid then became the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle, or 1/2 b2 minus b1 times h plus b1 times h. Again, forget the formula. It's the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle. Recently, I had a discussion with an individual who showed me the reasoning behind the initial trapezoid formula. Suppose you've got a trapezoid with b sub 1, which is small, b sub 2, which is large. Imagine them coming together. And as they come together, imagine the area that they are spanning. They meet. Well, if we were to average out their value as they meet, we'd have this distance. And the area of the trapezoid then, or the length of this distance, is the average of the length of the two bases. Therefore, the area of the trapezoid is really the average width of the trapezoid times the height, which is b sub 1 plus b sub 2 over 2. That's the average width times height. Now, you can say that this formula is equal to the initial formula, but it's not. This maintains the reasoning that we did to find the average width. We didn't use h over 2. Here we keep b1 plus b sub 2 over 2, the average width, times the height. Three different methods to reason through visually the area of a trapezoid. Forget the formulas for all three. Forget the formula area of trapezoid equals h over 2, quantity b1 plus b2. Forget it all. Think about visual reasoning. RationalMath.com.